In this video, I'll show you how to use the Exness Trade app. First, download the Exness Trade app and sign in with your Exness account. Exness says the app lets you manage trading accounts, place trades, make deposits and withdrawals, transfer funds, and access market news all in one place. Once you're inside the app, start from the Accounts area. This is where you can view your trading accounts and create a new real or demo account if needed. Exness says you can choose the account type, platform type, leverage, currency, and password during setup. To place a trade, open the market or instrument you want, tap Buy or Sell, and fill in the order details. Exness says the app supports regular trading mode, one-click trading, and a risk calculator mode to help size trades before confirming. You can also use the app for account management. Exness says you can handle deposits, withdrawals, transfers, support chat, and even change app language inside Exness Trade. So the basic flow is simple. Log in, choose your account, open a market, place your trade, and manage your funds and settings from the same app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.